Hey guys, today I have a wind-up toy from Target, and it was only $1. It's a scary pumpkin, and I guess they glow in the dark. Let's cut this tag off. I don't think anything moves on this except his little feet. Let's give him a little wind up. What? Was that all? Okay, that's better. Let's do the quick side view. It works as it's supposed to. I like it. And now, let's try to break this thing. His little feet stopped. I figured those would be easy to break. No? You don't want to smash, do you? Just two little screws are holding this thing together. Nope. I guess I can't break it. Okay, I have to try to open this thing up. Let's see what's inside. After minutes of trying, the little screws seem to be stripped or glued in this thing, because I can't get them out. Let's try these instead. This is harder than it looks. Well, we are halfway there. Wow, this $1 toy is giving me a lot of problems. Finally. As you can see, this toy is just a hollow mold with a wind up in the middle of it. There's the little legs. And this wind up motor still works. Sort of. That's about it for this one. What a mess. Don't break your toys. Especially this one. Just watch me instead. Like and subscribe to see new videos every week.